So I would have a question regarding U visas. So if someone has been a victim of assault, but at the time that the incident occurred, they either weren't aware of the law that could protect them through applying for a U visa, or they were frightened to apply for it because they thought there would be retaliation. But if the person waited, let's say 5 years, 6 years, can they still apply for a U visa, or is there like a window period where a person must apply for?
Yes, and if you can first explain what the U visa is so that people can know.
The U visa is another one of the areas that's a big improvement since the time I started. I started practicing immigration law in '93, so
you're an OG. You're an OG in the area.
Yeah, exactly. But this is an area that's gotten better. It's all considered part of the Violence Against Women Act, although men can be protected also.
Oh, yes.
So people who are the victims of crime, who help out the district attorney or the police or some other law enforcement agency can be given a visa which is for the first couple of years is temporary, but eventually gives you a green card. Mm-hmm. So the point of this visa is that people who are witnesses or victims of crime shouldn't be afraid to go to the police to talk about it, because the police will actually help them, and it will end up getting them a green card instead of causing them to be deported. Mm-hmm. So anyone who has been a victim of crime, definitely, please cooperate with the police, cooperate with the DA, tell them what happened, because it may end up getting you a green card.
Okay. Yes. So this goes for the guys too that get, because some guys out there get abused as well. You know what I mean?
Yes.
It's a little bit of shame. It's a little bit I'm pretty sure there would be a little bit of shame or a situation. My girlfriend's beating me up. But
But this is this doesn't apply only for romantic relationships, right? So if someone is a victim of an assault, even if it's like a stranger in the street who tries to steal their money or that also applies, right?
Yes, that's the difference between the U and other parts of VAWA.
Okay.
The famous part that Javier is now referring to is the part where you have a spouse whose husband or wife is saying, "Oh, I'll give you a green card. Just stay with me and do what I say, and well, maybe later I'll give it to you, but now you do what I say." And often, that's a recipe for really bad domestic violence
and abuse, manipulation, and all that. Uh-huh.
So that situation, people know about it, and yes, men can fall into that as well. Too. But the U visa is special because it can be a stranger. It can be, gang members threatening you or other criminals, even a boss who is violating the law and exploiting the workers. In some cases, that can be enough.
Really?
Of course, you have to have a district attorney or police,
you see, Mr. Burns?
Department of Labor, somebody who is willing to enforce some law where you are cooperating in that.
Yes, you know what? And now I feel comfortable telling you, Mr. Wright, that I've been living in this studio, mopping the floors, working for free,